Hey guys, my name is Chris, and today we're going to draw a real puppy. Alright, first off, I'm going to start with the center of the face, because it's the closest part that's going to be to you. Basically with a puppy nose, you kind of want to just start with the line that goes across like that. Leave a little bit of a nostril there, kind of loop it around at the bottom. There you go. And then it kind of has like a little connecting part that goes to the bottom of the mouth. So when you're drawing the mouth, you're going to kind of do it as almost like a swoop there. Almost kind of like you see a little bit of a smile, but it goes up in the middle. Then we're going to kind of do a little bit of a snout here. So it's going to come down a little bit on the side, make it a little bit furry. I'm doing a lot of lines to make it kind of realistic. And go around for underneath the jaw. A little bit of hair there. Go back around there. Keep it kind of furry. And then we're going to do the eyes. The eyes are a little bit different than human eyes, so you're going to kind of make sure that it's a little bit right alongside of the nose here. And you're going to kind of come down like that for just the middle, along the side, and it almost turns into almost kind of like a triangle. Then you got like the side of the pupil and the cornea there. Same thing on the other side. There we go. And then you're going to do a little bit of a highlight, which is just a little dot in the middle, almost like a little circle. Kind of gives it a little more dimension. Then we're going to go for the ears and the top of the head here, which is also a little bit fuzzy. The ears kind of droop down a little bit. I think this is more of like a golden retriever puppy. So they come down on the side, and then you got one ear. On the other side, you got two ears. And those are almost like triangles too, but they're just kind of, just imagine droopy ears kind of like coming down on the side. Then we're going to go down for the body. Go along the side here, keeping it kind of fuzzy, just as a puppy is. It's almost like a little bit of a, keep it with the wavy lines here. Got a little paw at the bottom, and here's a leg. And then puppies have paws, so you got to make a couple lines here, show that it's a paw. Kind of goes down like that. That's underneath the belly, but we still have another leg to go here. So just draw that. It's almost coming in front, so make sure you remember that. Another paw, and then coming down. Make sure you draw a couple more lines for the paw, and then you're coming back around on the side to make the back of the body. And the foot that is laying there in the back. Keep a couple lines for the paw as well here. And there's the leg. There's the finishing of the belly. And then we got a little tail here. And that's how you have a sitting puppy.